Hello. So if you were wondered why your website have visitors but doesn't get sales, bookings or signups, you are not alone. Uh, Having a website with good design is nice, but what you really need is a website that converts. So I'm Mahir. Today I'm going to share with you some powerful tips for website conversion, practical strategies that will help you turn traffic into loyal customers, whether you run an e-commerce website, service business, or a personal brand. These tips will give you an edge that your website needs. So in this topic, um, let's start with definitely with the hero section. This section grabs the initial attention of the visitor in your website. So it needs to answer these three questions like who, why, and what. With it, what it means, who are you trying to reach you with your website, why they should stay or what they are getting, plus what action do you want them to take. Second one of these is replace CTA with CTV, that is call to action with call to value. So rather than something like try now or get started, replace them with start selling, open an account, or try now for free. So a good example of this I have screenshot here is this one. Also, if you look at their hero section, they are very clear. Build your AI chatbots as a chatbot agent without code. So it's targeted for no code chatbot builder or the founders or the business owner or the sales strategist who want chatbots without writing a single line of code. Okay. The next one is hook, stare, and solve. You need to pinpoint the solution to the main key problem. For example, the if we start with these, the problem is, for example, you are selling something that boosts or optimize a website. So there the problem should be your website loads 10 second. That problem's agitation is you are losing customer in every second. That also you are losing money. So the solution to the problem is optimize the website in 5 minutes. Get started now. It's more like it. The next one is you need to sell the benefits, not just the features. During landing page building or content creation, what we do is we focus on ourselves, the features, the techy stuff that user don't give a shit about. You need to sell what benefits they are getting using your platform or using your solution. So there is another thing, the golden rule of copywriting is letting the user know how they are going to get benefited from the solution. A good example from the same landing page I took screenshot is that they have mentioned you can boost sales conversion. So the end product or impact they're going to make, they will get more sale conversions, and it's very easy to customize and scale. So there's another benefit for uh, management, I mean customer relation team, right? So they don't want to hassle more regarding the customization part. All right, so the next one is social validation. Visitors trust other people more than they trust a brand. Show testimonials, user count ratings, logos, or companies that trust you. So a good example for that can be 10,000 businesses already use our solution to double their conversion. These create an instant trust and reduce hesitation. And another good thing can be how you have partnered with some large corporations or how you have impacted these 10,000 users in a flow. Show it using a case study. Sharing that case study also is sort of a social validation, and You can write or mention some team members from that company, obviously by taking their concerns. So the last one, but and the important, it somewhat comes to the design part, that is visual that speaks the mass. The visuals should be in an engaging way. It should be any. It can be animation. It can be custom graphics. So these things, these visuals, you should put in an engaging way that it blend the branding and copywriting. So you cannot share a random team photo in an testimonial, right? Hey, so if you're serious about turning your website into a conversion powerhouse, the time to act is now. Don't just collect visitors, convert them into customers, clients, or loyal fans. And here is the best part, you don't have to do it alone. If you need a design partner who understands your vision, build your conversion in mind, reach out today to Weavers. Let's create a website or landing page or a product that works hard as you. I'm dropping the contact link of the Weavers in the video description because your product deserves more than just a presence, it deserves performance.